And now we want to travel to the land of Owambe. Look at your neighbor and say, Owambe. Let's go.
The land that is known with celebration.
The land of Orishi.
I'm telling you. Have you recently been to any Yoruba wedding marriage activity? The takeaways, like the souvenirs, you will not see rubber. What they give away, if I mention it, you'll be amazed.
Let's see.
Batá, giving us hot hops. Money must follow.
In Yoruba, money is called what? Oh. This is beautiful.
You're looking lovely.
These children were all born in Yenagoa.
How come they perform this way?
Yet they are showcasing dance steps of cultures outside Yenagoa.
And that's the beautiful thing about education.
Okay. Bestbreed.
Bestbreed International Academy has once again placed its name in the map of the world. They are the first to put together an event such as this. Not just any event, but it is an inter-house cultural carnival that has been themed celebrating our diversity and creative expression.
80%